Marami nga ang nagulat sa pag-iyak o tila pag-breakdown nitong si Sam Melby sa pagtatanong sa interview sa kanya sa Fast Talk about sa relationship nila ni Catriona Gray. Hindi nga mapigilan ni Sam Melby na mapaiyak sa nasabi nga pong hiwalayan nila ng kanyang fiancé na si Sam Melby. Ayon kay Sam, hindi madali dahil hindi naman sila boyfriend or girlfriend lang. Sila ay fiancé. Ibig sabihin, engaged. Nito kung ang Monday episode ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, si Sam nga ang nasabing guest ni Boy Abunda sa Fast Talk. On Monday episode of Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, Sam said he knew that his ex-fiancé would also be watching the show. The two of them were sitting just a few seats away from each other. TJ's first off, I didn't know na ganun yung mga songs niya. Nang tanungin kasi ni Boy Abunda kung ano yung masasabi ni Sam na umiyak nga si Catriona Gray dun sa concert. Ani Sam Melby, it was such a beautiful concert but it was really hard. A woman that I still love and care about is, I see a few seats away from me, is crying. Marami mga netizen ang nagsabi na ibig sabihin mahal pa rin talaga ni Sam Melby si Catriona. Kaya ang tanong, bakit sila naghiwalay? Ayon kay Sam, hindi niya raw alam kung paano magre-react that time. I don't know how to react. If people thought I was comfortable, I was complete opposite. I was not comfortable during that concert. And it's something that should be celebrated because it was a beautiful concert. My best friend was directing Jan Prats. But it was a hard situation and I was kind of frozen of the time. It wasn't easy at all. Yan ang sinabi ni Sam Melby. Hindi na nga rin napigilan ni Sam Melby na umiyak habang ini-interview siya ni Boy Abunda sa nasabi nga pong Fast Talk at doon ay halos hindi na makapagsalita. Ang nasabi na lang ni Sam ay ayaw niya na talagang pag-usapan yung nangyari sa kanila at gusto niya ay private na yon at nirerespeto niya si Catriona. But yes, sinabi nga ni Sam Melby na I still love her. Eto tuloy ang mga naging say ng mga netizen matapos nga na umiyak at maging emosyonal si Sam Melby sa Fast Talk. Well, say nga ng mga netizen, sana magkabalikan sila. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And just are all ready to the right corners.